Hello children, how are you all? I'm sure you all are great. Today we are going to learn about sentences. Yes children? Okay. Now look at this group of words. Yes? Look at this group of words. Bark the dog me at. Yes? There are so many words but we cannot understand anything. It does not make sense because the words are not in the correct order. Yes, they have not arranged the words properly in proper order, children. And so, when we read them, bark the dog me at, what does this mean? Okay, the word order should be. How should the words be? Yes, the dog barked at me. Yes, same words are arranged properly in a proper order. The dog barked at me. Now we can understand what we are saying or what the sentence is trying to tell. Yes, the above group of words make sense and so it is a sentence. Yes, when a group of words are arranged properly and they make proper sense, when we can understand it nicely and clearly, then it becomes a sentence. Okay, now what are sentences, children? A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete thought. Whatever we are thinking, whatever we mean, it is written properly and we can understand it clearly. Yes, sentences begin with a capital letter. This is the first rule of our sentence. Yes, remember this very well. Whenever you start writing a sentence, the beginning, the first letter of our sentence should be a capital. Yes, the beginning of the sentence should start with a capital letter. Sentence end with a punctuation mark. Yes, sentences end with a punctuation mark. Punctuation marks which we are using are full stop and question mark, and there are many other, but first of all we should concentrate on full stop and question mark. Whenever you are completing a sentence, you will always put a full stop at the end which shows that your sentence is over here. Yes, it is finished. And if you are asking a question, then you have to add a question mark at the end. Yes, and then only our two important rules of our sentence will be completed. Okay. Now we are going to see few examples of the words when we arrange them properly and make a sentence. Two has dolls the child. So, what should be the correct order of these words? The child has two dolls. Yes? Making mother a cake is. Again, we have to arrange them properly to make a sentence. Mother is making a cake. Jumped over the cat the wall. Yes. So again there are two there. What the cat is doing? The cat is doing something, but what? So when we arrange it properly, we come to know the cat jumped over the wall. The east in rises the sun. Again children, it is very clear when we write it properly. The sun rises in the east. Yes children, so we have to be very careful while arranging our words to make a proper sentence. Now children, you can see a picture of a mouse and there we have to make a sentence using the words given here. Okay, let's try it. Yes, so we can see the rat ate the cheese. So we are going to arrange it in a proper order. Yes, we are going to arrange our sentence in a proper order. So, first rule of our sentence is capital letter. Begin with a capital letter. The. Yes, I have taken the from the group of words. The. What is there in the picture? Rat. The rat. What is it doing? Ate. It ate. Again one more the is there, so I will take it without forgetting in my sentence, otherwise my sentence won't be correct. The rat ate the cheese. And children, is my sentence correct here? There is something important which I have not put at the end of my sentence. There has to be a punctuation mark, and since my sentence is complete, so I am going to put a full stop at the end. And now when we read the group of words arranged properly in a proper order, the rat ate the cheese. Yes, I have put a capital in the beginning of my sentence. I have made the capital, and at the end of my sentence there is a full stop. And so my sentence is a complete correct sentence. One more example, children. Now we can see a girl riding a bicycle. Yes, the girl rode a bicycle. Yes. So we are going to again start our sentence with the capital letter. Okay, I have taken the. Now children, what shall I take? The girl. We are talking about the girl. So girl. The girl rode. What did she do? She rode a bicycle. I should not forget any of the words from my sentence. All the words I have to take. And put full stop at the end of my sentence. Yes, put a full stop. Yes, so the girl rode a bicycle. Yes, children, now we have taken all the words which are given to us. We have arranged them in proper order, and then when we read the sentence, the girl rode a bicycle, and it is very clear and we can understand it well. So children, this is how we arrange our words, group of words properly and frame our sentences correctly.